Hi, everybody. This is David Raich. I'm a children's ministry leader, director, and thank you for participating and watching the Advent Care Kit messages that we're going to have all month for you. In my bag, because I'm the first day, if you're following along, you'll see that my passage is John 3:16. On the calendar here. The lighting is not great in my office, but I'm doing the best we can. And I have several different Bibles at the house. Last we read with my own children is called the Action Bible. Today, because I've got stuff everywhere, I am going to read from the phone. And that's also a good resource for us to use. So John 3:16 says, "For God so loved the world that he gave his own and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life." Sorry, it blacked out. And I should know it by heart. My kids know it by heart. I like this passage a lot because it kind of ties in the Old Testament of the prophecies and the promises that Jesus was coming, and it's a good way to start our Christmas season and Advent. Earlier today with the kids at Pender during the children's message at our service, I pulled a card from the bag, and our card said, "Write a note that says I love you and give it to someone." So I had the children, my Pender family, deliver messages to their parents, and we completed that task. Because we completed the task, we take my calendar that's already in a trifold, and I was able to take one of the 25 stickers because I completed the kindness act, making our community a better place, and I added our first sticker to create our nativity scene over 25 days. Remember that there are 40 different ways to show kindness in your community, provided for you in the bag that came with the Advent Kindness Kit, and choose one that works for you. If you pull the first one and you know there's no way that you could get that completed, that's okay. There's 39 others. Keep choosing from the bag, take a look at them, and find one that works for you. And if you want to, if you feel compelled to, share it with us on our Facebook page. Remember also that inside the kindness bag, in the kindness cards, there's one item in here that you should know about. Maybe you want to skip through it and just go to this one, because on December 9th is the last day that you can donate a toy to Santa's Ride. So we have this opportunity for you as well. Something to think about. Donations to Santa's Ride can be taken in the lobby at Pender UMC. Remember that also neatly tucked in the bag is all the events that you can do with your family, by yourself, with your children, and it looks something like this. Everything on here from the Advent study with Pastor Mark to our one service on December 8th, the cantata, and Carol's Cookies and Coffee. If you don't like the handbells, but you like to eat cookies, this is a good one to come to. We also have our Christmas Eve services listed on this paper. There's a night in Bethlehem, which is a fantastic event, unlike anything you've seen before. If you were there last year, it's worthy of going twice, and bring somebody with you that hasn't been before. Remember as well that Friday, December 20th, from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., will be our Parents' Night Out. You can find this information and all things on our Pender Facebook page or on our Pender website, penderumc.org. Okay, and finally, for 25 days of Advent, we'll finish each one of our videos with hopefully getting to know somebody new at Pender and a cliffhanger Christmas joke. Yes, that means I won't be giving the punchline, but potentially you'll know it, or maybe you won't. And again, you can share it with us in the comments on Facebook. Okay, let's see. My favorite. Or my favorite today, why are Christmas trees not any good at sewing? Tomorrow, Ann Hines will tell you the punchline to that joke. God bless you all. Bye.